Hey there! This video is going to explain to you what a green wallet is, how to create one on your desktop, and then how to link it to your Stoker account so you can receive security tokens which are issued on the Liquid network. If you already have a green wallet, then you can just skip straight to the second half of this video where we explain how to connect it with Stoker. First things first, what's a green wallet? A green wallet, which is created by Blockstream, is a well-recognized Bitcoin wallet. It specializes in holding and transferring assets, such as your Bitcoin and other liquid assets. Now, let's show you how to download it. First, open an internet browser, then head to www.blockstream.com. At the top of the page, choose the Products drop-down menu and click on the Blockstream Green option. Click on the green Download Now button and select your operating software. Now the app should be downloading onto your computer. Once it's downloaded, open it up. The application is called Green. Let's take a look at how you create an account and then wallet. Click on Create New Wallet. Agree to the terms of service, and then select Liquid as your network. You are now given a mnemonic of 24 words that you must write down somewhere to keep access to your wallet. We recommend writing them down instead of only taking a picture, because if you ever lose your data or device, we, nor Blockstream, can't help you get it back. It's gone forever, so take good care of it. So now, we need to confirm the words and their numbers. In order to confirm that the mnemonic works, the app will ask you to type in 4 random words associated with their number. Enter these words in. After the words are correctly entered, create a PIN to access your wallet and then enter it again to verify. This will be the way you sign in instead of using the mnemonic. Now, type in a name for your account and then click on Create. You now have a Liquid account. Now that your main account has been created, you'll need to create a Managed Assets account. So, click on Wallet and then Add New Account. Select Managed Assets account, or it may be called Liquid Securities account, depending on the app version you have. Imagine this as your securities account that you have with your banks. Click on Next and then type in a name for your Managed Assets account. Then click on Create. You now have a Managed Assets account under your main account. Now, going back to your Stoker account. If you are already on this page, then stay here. If not, then you'll need to get to this page by logging into your Stoker account. Click on your icon in the top right, choose the Settings drop-down menu, and then click on Liquid Securities account. Click on Register Liquid ID. Now that you're on the right page, scroll down and click on that same button again. Now, you'll need to link the account ID of your Managed Assets account to Stoker. So, go back to your Green Wallet app and open your Managed Assets account. Make sure you're not in your main account. Find your account ID in the top right corner. Copy it to your clipboard by simply clicking on it. Then, go back to your Stoker tab. Paste your account ID here, and then click on Register. Your Liquid Securities account is now whitelisted on Stoker. And that's it. If you have any further questions, you can always hit us up on support@stoker.io.